Michael here. I'm here with Janelle. She's gonna give us her story, her experience about coming here to Summit Family Chiropractic. So first of all, we met you like 6 months ago, correct?
That's correct.
At the street fair.
Right.
So I guess what's one thing that caught your eye when you first came into Summit Family Chiropractic?
How laid back it was. I thought I was in a gym. Everybody was doing exercises, and I thought, all right, well, I'm supposed to be in a chiropractic office, and it was anything but an office.
Okay, awesome.
So that was kind of nice.
Yeah. So what's one thing? Well, how has Summit Family Chiropractic improved the quality of your life?
Well, first of all, I didn't know I needed my life improved. I came in, I didn't have any aches and pains. I was not hurting in any specific area of my body. When I was stopped and approached at the street fair, they scanned my back, and I noticed a few things that was kind of not right. And so with the incentive of coming in, I had a full x-ray of my back, and then thinking that I was fine because I didn't hurt anywhere. After seeing the x-ray, my hips were kind of out of alignment. I had a small curve in my back, but the most significant was that there was not a curve in my neck.
Yeah.
It was straight up and down. And so that really floored me, because I felt okay.
Yeah.
So that's why I continued treatment here.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So I know you've gone to, we're always doing workshops and stuff like that, and I know you've come to a couple such as the weight loss makeover. You want to touch on that a little bit?
Yeah, I first of all, when I first started, I just would come in and get adjusted and go home, and then as I continued coming in, I noticed that you would have flyers on different things to do, and some at the time interested me and some didn't, but the one that specifically interested me was the 21-day fitness challenge. And so I had been trying to lose the weight that you normally, middle-aged people get, and had been trying, and so this really interested me. So I got on the 21-day fitness challenge, which was detox and burning fat and intaking less carbs, and so I lost 8 pounds during that. So as the other flyers in the office started coming up, I thought, well, when I wasn't interested in them, I became interested in them.
Yeah.
Just because one thing led to another. And so I went to the shop with the doc, and so we went down to a supermarket, and we looked at labels. And how do you read the labels? And what to eat, what not to eat. And so, the whole thing about Summit Chiropractic is it was more holistic. It wasn't just treating one area like we're used to when you go to the doctor and you're not feeling well, and so that impressed me.
Awesome.
So yeah. It's been fun actually.
Yeah.
It wasn't drudgery coming in 3 times a week, or for me now it's twice a week, and I actually look forward to it.
Awesome.
So, yeah.
Cool. So I'm gonna one last thing. Do you have any words of encouragement for anyone else that could possibly be watching this video?
I do. I'm just trying to figure out how to explain it. For me, I'm kind of a tough sell.
Yeah.
If I don't hurt, I don't think about it, and maybe that's the way it is for most people. But
It is.
the thing to think about is that we think of our spine as just something to keep you upright, and it's not. It's more than that. Poor posture and poor alignment of your spine, I've learned through coming here, is that it affects your organs, the functions of your organs. So it's more. It's the whole body. So I would say, even if you don't hurt in one spot, the Summit Chiropractic, just because of your principles, is something to consider in your life.
Awesome.
Because you may feel healthy now, it could very much prolong your life, just because you adhere to the principles of your teachings in essential health, and correcting the curvature of your spine.
Mm-hmm.
Can, you know, you don't think it would work now, or you don't think about it working now, but you do in the future.
Oh yeah, awesome.
So
I'm glad, you know, I'm super happy that all, you know, you're having some positive experiences, and I'm super excited for, you know, all the progress that's going to be coming your way too. So thank you. You guys have a good day.
Bye.